So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and get help from Qwen is with mocktail recipes as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, I am hosting a housewarming warming party. Give me 4 mocktail ideas that I can easily prepare at home right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, it says that sounds like so much fun, and then it goes ahead and gives me ideas to make the mocktails. Like it's a citrus mint sparkler right here, just like this. So it says some orange juice, a Sprite or 7-Up. Then it says fresh lime juice, a few mint leaves, ice, and orange or lime slice for garnish. And it also gives you a method on how to make it. Then you got berry bliss fizz, as you can see right here, like handful of mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. And then you can see that this is what you have right here. So it gives you some mocktail ideas. Let's say you want to be more specific. So I'm going to go around and say, give me pineapple flavor mocktail ideas right here. Let's say, for example, so now I actually went ahead right here and then did not actually spell this correctly. So it says pineapple and pina colada right here. So I'm just going to go around and say pineapple flavor. So let's just go around over here, flavor. Let's just go ahead and correct it. And then it says, if you're leaning into pineapple flavor, then it says pineapple ginger, ginger right here. Then you got coconut pineapple smoothie mocktail. You got sparkling pineapple citrus cup. And it says primarily pineapple cilantro cooler as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can get help with the mocktail recipes using Qwen as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.